The contract you talk about, right?
Yeah.
A chain is as strong as its weakest link. I can't go to court and give evidence that will make the agency come across as a semi-legal gang that do its own thing. It's so much more than that.
But sir, taking your own life, if the agency get exposed, that's not extreme.
Trust me, little one, you have no idea how extreme can be. We live by a code. That's why we're all here.
So I can understand how me did feel when me realized that it looked like Whisper I give agency information to Minister Daly.
And me know say that is referred as a cardinal sin. But me did willing to take that chance there. And that is why I did grateful when I get the go ahead from Mr. Mullins.
No, don't tell me what go on the corner daily. Cause I wish I could have did it, you know. I wish I could have seen face expression. Don't tell me what go on.
I understand your feelings, but we couldn't do that. You're what we call our ace in the hole. He can't know of your existence. He still can't.
But sir, him see me already and him knows I'm connected to the agency.
Yeah, him know you're connected through a community program, not as an agent.
Yeah, that's true. Him not know about that. So you use the picture them?
Oh yes. That was the final nail in his coffin. I would have never believed the minister could be so passionate.
I know that tea. You should have seen when Sir walk in a black and white suit.
Black and white suit, sir? I can't imagine. You're supposed to give them your classic walk. That's true.
As a matter of fact, if you keep your surveillance going on the minister, you'll find that his supermarket trolley has a whole heap of mailboxes.
A true man. Diarrhea supposed to kill him.
I know that. And when Bossy a pass, I say, Bossy, she turn around and say, don't call me that. The boss in there, so.
So, you never know about the plan? Oh, you still a rush him?
That was for the benefit of the minister. Once him hear me a while up whisper, him realize I wanna have no link. But I know that when me step in at the man office, hear him, Miss Brissette, are you here to take my offer? This is one of him walking at the office. Hear him. Bossy, take the offer.
Seriously?
You know you have a style thing already, man. You have to style it and throw him off, isn't it?
But we're here talking about our participation. I don't hear you say anything about yours, and I'm certain you have things to say.
Alright. It all started when Minister Daly's sweetheart and I was having lunch. Whisper text me and say, I know you burn me out, you know. But I want you to help me with something.
I know some talk, you know. I don't know where you're going, so what?
I see me so you talk, I can hear your voice through the message. Me will link you.
I saw you sound for real.
Don't look at me. I'm listening to the story.
The second time now, me and Bubbles just finished our apps. I get a message from Whisper. I check my phone, I tear my eye, and I look up on Bubbles. This is the look what Bubbles give me.
Who look on you, sir? My face not stay, sir.
Bossy, I hear you look that, man.
Me look... Sir,
I wasn't there, and I'm listening to the story.
Yes, sir. I'm know say she that suspect something, you know. Cause you see when she had dropped me home, I saw she had drive and I look for me.
That's how she was looking? Young lady, how many times have I told you to keep your eyes on the road? See the look there? Continue the story, please.
Yeah. And then me and him meet up and him tell me the plan. And me I say, yeah, Make me and him mash our work.
Wanna do good. And you a get computer savvy now. Our numbers a teacher.
Well, the local one class when I sit down with him, I learn what heap.
In that case, I'm gonna make you do a few more classes with him. Cause numbers look like him a get coward. Him no want go back go sit down around the laptop cause I'm afraid him get catch.
All in all, I can think clearly. There's no hesitation in saying we did an excellent job. Gather. Look, we are a private independent agency. Privately and independently funded. And that's why we pose such a threat to people. You could say we are a weaponized version of the Integrity Commission. People are saying, oh, they're being run by drug money. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. My drug money, accumulated over time when I was bringing down drug organizations all over the world. And rather than have the money disappear into government coffers to be used and abused by God knows who, I have kept it in a way that we can use it without it being traced. That's what's giving them diarrhea.